So here we are, another unboxing day. No. So here we are, another unboxing day. So we are unboxing our new grow light for our plants upstairs, mostly the mother plants. Yeah, so come with me. Here. So we got one table replaced. We're replacing another one, and we're testing out the new grow lights for our plants. Is this for us?
When you put that on there,
Oh, it's not full.
it's not
Is
full.
this for me?
Me and
Not for Justine, right?
see.
So I take one, okay?
That's so big.
For oh my god, our friends just got us. Chris, which one is yours?
I'm missing a screw.
No, I won't.
Okay, it's only 2 tanks.
Wait, which one is
I don't have to.
your camera? Is this your camera?
Wait, I'm bringing out of the timer. Mơ phật tại đây, you know.
This is the other one.
Look at all the dust.
This is your lens actually.
អូយតិចច្រឡំគ្នាពេញហ្នឹងហើយ
It's the both of them.
Hold it.
Oh my god, this is so big. Oh.
Wait, let me.
How to hold it?
I'll hold my camera.
Oh, okay. God. Oh my
Okay.
god.
Come on, you can
It
work.
looks so expensive. I feel like the bigger it is, it seems more expensive to me. Oh my god.
So heavy, Chris.
Yes, it's gonna change your mind. It's gonna change your life.
Okay.
This is an F-Log.
Oh, so good.
I like this one.
Thank you, Chris. So soft. Yeah, Justine can work here and then can edit her video here. Huh? Baby, telak mo, baby, telak keluar malam. Clear it. His camera shy. So this side is nearly done. We still have this side and that one at the back.
Bye.